Okay, pause. Before we even say the word Atlantis, we need to slow down. Because this story has been twisted so many times that people forget one uncomfortable fact. Atlantis was never written as history. It appears exactly once, in two dialogues, by one man, Plato. Plato introduces Atlantis around 360 BC, not as a travelogue, not as a discovery, but as a philosophical story. A tale meant to explain what happens when a powerful society becomes greedy, arrogant, and careless. And this is where things already get strange, because Plato insists the story is true, but provides no sources, no names, and no physical location that anyone has ever verified. Now, historians have spent centuries asking the same question. If Atlantis existed, where is it? And here's the problem. Every place people point to, Greece, Spain, the Caribbean, Antarctica, runs into the same wall. There is no archaeological evidence of an advanced civilization that suddenly vanished beneath the sea around the time Plato describes. No cities, no tools, no infrastructure, nothing. So why didn't Atlantis leave a trace? Some argue it was inspired by real disasters. The eruption of Thera, modern-day Santorini, did destroy parts of the Minoan civilization around 1600 BC. Massive explosion. Tsunamis, entire coastal settlements wiped out. That part is real, but the timeline doesn't match Plato. The scale doesn't match either. And most importantly, the Minoans didn't vanish overnight. Others claim Atlantis was symbolic, not a place, but a warning. Plato used a fictional enemy to criticize Athens itself, showing how moral decay leads to collapse. And honestly, this explanation makes historians very uncomfortable, because it suggests the most famous lost city in history was never lost at all. It was never meant to be found. And here's the detail people rarely like to hear. Plato describes Atlantis with impossible precision. Perfect rings, ideal geometry, exaggerated wealth. Not how real cities are described, but exactly how ideas are described. So Atlantis didn't disappear because of an earthquake, or a flood, or a war. It disappeared because it was never a physical place to begin with. And once you accept that, the mystery doesn't vanish. It changes. Because the real question becomes, why are we still trying to find it? And that is the part of the story we almost never talk about.